New Ego Summer Update. Brand new Ego Summer Update. So the new Ego Summer Update is happening in Blue Lock, and we got some new styles included. New Ego Summer mode. HIORI now ISAGI chemical reaction. So HIORI and now ISAGI new chemical reaction. New HIORI style refresh, general polishing and bug fixes. So they have added the new game mode. There's a brand new game mode in a Blue Lock, which is going to be very exciting to actually try out. But we also got a lot of new codes to redeem for tons and tons of lucky spins, and we will be actually obtaining all the lucky spins in today's video. So be sure to actually keep up with all the codes that I'm gonna be redeeming right now, and you can actually get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. Where is the content aware one? Okay, bang, I did it. Open up your codes, and you can actually redeem the first code, which is going to be very simple. RIN exclamation point neo egoist RIN exclamation point. So this is the first code, guys. Do not miss out on any of these other codes in the brand new Blue Locks update, which is going to add the new Ego Summer update. It's gonna be very amazing. I can't wait. Okay, I cannot wait. 1.1 interested so far. So wait, 1.1 million is a new code. Did we even have 1.1 million interested? Let me check it out. We have 1.3 million. Wait, so they actually going to drop a code. They're actually gonna drop a code. 1.1 million, 1.3, like a 1.3 Ego Summer. So this is potentially a code. This is potentially the next code that they will be actually adding into game, into the Blue Locks update, because they actually hit the goal. They hit the goal. They smashed their goal, and the next code will be very simple. 1 million okay, 1 million CCU exclamation point. Oh, double exclamation. No, I missed one. I missed one. 1 million CCU exclamation point. There you go. 1 million CCU. So this is the next code in Blue Lock Rivals, and we got another one. Guys, do not miss out on any codes if you want all the rewards. And also, really quickly, if you do need an extra style slot, be sure to comment Ego Summer. There you go. Just comment over Ego Summer, and I'll be gifting 2 slots, 2 of these extra slots, so you guys can actually enjoy the update as soon as possible. And the next code is going to be the destroyer exclamation point. That is the next code, the destroyer exclamation point. And we got another code, RIN 99999K. RIN 99999K exclamation point. So RIN 999K exclamation point. That is the next code. 15 lucky spins and a lot of free cash. So these are all the codes, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe,